Let's now look at some two-dimensional dynamical systems where nonlinear effects play a role. And the first example I want to present comes from population ecology, namely two interacting populations. So let's imagine we have two species A and B that are living in some kind of an ecosystem, and their evolution is given as follows. So A denotes the density of species A, and by itself it just performs logistic growth. But then there is the influence of the other species B, and it happens this way. So as written, if epsilon is greater than 0, that means that B helps A, so this corresponds to mutualism, where if epsilon is less than 0, this corresponds to competition. And similarly, B dot behaves in a very symmetrical fashion, B minus B squared, so logistic growth left by itself, modified by this competition, epsilon AB. So to analyze the system, let's first look at the nullines. So setting A dot equals 0, we're going to get 1 minus A plus epsilon B is equal to 0, or A is equal to 1 plus epsilon B. And similarly, setting B dot equals to 0 gives me 1 minus B plus epsilon A equals 0, and so B is equal to 1 plus epsilon A.